An extension misbehaves. It hangs, it crashes, but your editor keeps working. You can still type, still scroll, still save. Why doesn't the whole thing freeze? Because extensions don't run where you think they do. Here's the secret. Your extensions don't run inside the editor. They run in a completely separate process, the extension host. The two only talk through messages, across a boundary. So when an extension crashes, it crashes over here, inside the extension host. The failure is trapped on the far side of the boundary. It never reaches the editor you're looking at. That's why the window stays alive. This same boundary does something else. Because extensions are isolated and swappable, a fork-like cursor can load your existing VS Code extensions, even your AI assistant, into its own extension host. The skeleton is shared. The extensions just plug in. So remember the boundary. Your editor is one process. Your extensions live in another. A crash on one side can't freeze the other. And that single design choice is why your editor stays standing.